Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial series, and in this tutorial series we're going to learn how to build a real-world CRUD application from scratch, and we're going to use MERN Stack technology. So MERN Stack technology consists of 4 basic technologies that include MongoDB, Express, React, and Nodejs. So who am I? My name is Paul Awiti, an online instructor at Code Excellent Education. So we're going to begin with the introduction part of MERN Stack CRUD application. So the basic thing that we need to understand is, what does MERN Stack stand for? So MERN Stack stands for MongoDB, Express, React.js, and Node.js. So MongoDB, this is a document-based open source database that we're going to use as a database in this tutorial series, and it's the database that is used when we are using MERN Stack technology. So what of Express? Express, this is a web framework for Node.js. Then we have React.js, which is JavaScript framework for front-end development. Then finally we have Node.js. This is a JavaScript runtime that enables JavaScript to run on a server. So we'll be building CRUD app from scratch. Most of web application we get in the internet in this time, or in the latest technologies that we are using, you notice that most of them consist of a series of CRUD applications or CRUD operations. So in this class, what we are going to do will enable you to create a complete web application, as most of these applications are made of CRUD operations. Therefore, we are going to start learning MERN Stack, beginning with CRUD application, and this is a great way to start. So let's just look at this simple architecture of MERN Stack development. So this is just to explain how MERN Stack works. So we have the database right here, and Node.js is going to help us communicate with the MongoDB. Then we have the Express web framework that is going to enable the Node.js and React.js to communicate. So the React.js, this is where we'll have the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files for the front-end development. So see you into the next class, whereby we will start by setting up the environment ready to begin our MERN Stack CRUD operation. Thank you.